How to fix unable to save. There was an error while saving this. Please try again later. Error on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the unable to save error whenever you're trying to save a video or a photo after making some edits or after trimming them. So let's get started. Now, there can be this problem due to several reasons. So let's just dive right into saving it. So let's open up our settings first. After we're on our settings, head over to System. It's on the left sidebar, and there you'll see different options. What you'll need to do after you're here is simply head over to your graphics. If you don't find your graphics, head over to Display, and on your display, you should scroll down until you find related settings, and there you'll find graphics. Tap on graphics, and after you do that, you can search for an app. So let's search for photos. And after you find photos, expand on it and you'll see the GPU preference. Tap on that and simply select high performance. After you choose on high performance, you can then close your settings. Head over to your video, then you can open this up. Make sure that you open this up using photos. So let's right click on it, open with, and select photos. After you do that, your video will open up like this. And now what you can do is you can start editing this. So let's tap on trim and now make the edit that we want. Then tap on save as copy. After you do that, you can select the file location, then tap on save. And now you won't be getting the error. As you can see, it's already been saved here. It's available on my desktop and it's been saved. And that's how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.